Welcome to the Bug MD family. Today, we're going to show you how to use Squito Stickers, the simple, natural way to repel mosquitoes. These patches use the power of citronella to create a protective barrier around you. We'll show you the best way to get protected in just a couple of minutes. Your Squito stickers come ready to use in little sheets inside the box. First, take out a sheet of stickers. Squito stickers are designed to go on your clothing or gear, never directly on your skin. For great protection, we recommend using at least 4 stickers at a time. The key to effectiveness is placement. Spread them around different parts of your clothing. Target spots close to exposed skin, like your sleeves, the front and back of your shirt, and your pant legs. Avoid putting all the stickers in one spot. Choose smooth, dry areas like a cotton shirt or a hat to make sure the adhesive stays put. For heavy mosquito areas like camping or hiking, bump that up to 5 or 6 stickers for better coverage. Squito stickers start working right away, creating a protective scent barrier that repels mosquitoes. The unique slow-release technology allows each sticker to provide up to 72 hours of protection. If you notice the scent fading or the sticker won't stick anymore, it's time to replace it. If you're still getting bites, try using more stickers or check your placement. Make sure they're spread out and targeting common areas like your ankles and arms. For questions or to explore full home protection, check out our website. It's that simple. Get started today and enjoy your time outdoors. Bite free.